this is your girl Styles by Tara Love Diva, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Yes, I'm on day 6. I'm on a roll. I got 20 more days to go. Anyway, I'm on Vlogmas Day 6. Yay! And today on Vlogmas Day 6, I made two, well really 1.5, because this one is not sewn together, but it is but it's a nightgown. It's coming along. This one here is a button-down pajama shirt. Not all the way down, but it's 2 buttons, because the style that I was going for was like a sexy, you put it on and your legs are showing, on your boy shorts. But anyway, I just want to give a shout out to my friend's mom, who sent me all this fabric. I did a fabric haul. I will put it in the card up here. Just click on that and check out the fabric haul. Thank you so much. Excuse me. She is a quilter. Go check her channel out. I will put all the information in the link down below. This is going to be a short video because I've been working on this for like a week. I cut the pattern out. I did so much, but it's been a week. So I decided to sew it together because it's content. But I am so loving this shirt because I actually made it and it fits. That's why I'm excited, because it fits. It has a few imperfections. Reason: half of the bottom of the hem is one color thread and the other side is another color. I ran out of thread in the mixed. Now the other imperfection is I haven't sewn the hem on the sleeve because I ran out of thread, this color thread. So with that being said, this is really pretty. I'm loving the shirt and it fits. That's why I'm so excited. It actually fits. I can wear it. At the end of December, I think the last video I will be doing is for Vlogmas is all the clothes that I created in the year of 2020. So stay tuned for that. And also, do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, comment, like, thumbs up this video, and also turn on your bell notifications so you can get notifications when I upload for Vlogmas, because I'm excited. I mean, it's not as, I'm not going to lie, I like my videos because I'm doing them. So I'm in the giggle mood. So so yes, this is a short video. Stay tuned for my Instagram, where I will be rocking this outfit because I have to figure out how to fix this sleeve. And if I get it all right, I will make another one like this in a different material. I mean, a different color. So yes, I'm running out of things to say. Oh yes, when you're sewing, I'm going to give you a few tips that I've been learning, because I knew how to sew. I've been sewing all my life pretty much. But as a professional, I have been learning to take your edges of satin and silk and serge it. That way it will not shred. Because my other pair of pants had every piece of thread from the shirt on it. So I learned that. Also I learned, take your time. Take your time. Sewing fast and trying to get it over and done with, you can mess up a lot of things. My next thing to learn how to make are collars. I want to make a collar because I want to make a regular button-down dress shirt for me. So yes, stay tuned for a lot of things. Those videos will be coming next year. I'm not going to make any of those this year because I have other things coming up for content. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Have a great and awesome day. At the end of this video, you will see me kind of making this shirt and my cutout patterns of these two things here. So yes, And check out vlogs 1 through 5. And thank you so much.